Hi everyone, my name is Adrienne. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I make food related content here on YouTube, and I'm also the mom of two extremely picky eaters, always trying to get them to try new foods. I have some delicious, easy, and budget friendly recipes for you this week. So if you need some dinner ideas and dinner motivation for your family, hit that subscribe button. I've got you covered, and let me show you what I made this week. My first recipe is my version of shepherd's pie. Here's a look at my ingredients. You will need some ground beef, a quarter of a red onion, 4 russet potatoes, a bag of frozen mixed vegetables, a heaping tablespoon of flour, and a packet of gravy mix. Use whatever you have on hand. I had turkey. It will be delicious. You're going to take 1 tablespoon of olive oil and sweat down some red onion, and then add the ground beef, break it apart, and cook it until it's nice and brown and cooked through, and then you're going to want to drain it, and then I'll show you what I do next. Add your flour and your gravy mix and 1.5 cups of water and stir to thicken, and then add your frozen mixed vegetables and stir to combine, and then you're going to top it with some mashed potatoes. You can use store-bought, boxed, or make your own like I did, and then you'll put it in a 350-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. And it came out hot and bubbly, warm and delicious. Kids score, oh my gosh, they wouldn't even go near this. They wouldn't even entertain the thought of going near this, but that meant that there was plenty for my husband and I to tuck into, and definitely enough for leftovers the next day for lunch. My next recipe is vodka pasta. This is so easy, so quick. It's done in under 30 minutes, and it's perfect for those crazy weeknights when you're schlepping kids around and you're absolutely exhausted. And here is a look at my ingredients. You're going to need some vodka, 1/4 cup, some ranch dressing, 1/4 of a red onion, some marinara sauce, and some pasta, whatever you have on hand. You're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a nonstick skillet. Add your onions and sweat them down for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll show you what I do next. Add your marinara and then a little bit of water and shake the jar and add the rest of it to the pan. And then this is 1/4 cup of ranch dressing. We don't do a ton of dairy in our house, but you can definitely use cream of mushroom soup or heavy cream or even a splash of milk. And if you're totally dairy free, coconut milk would be another option. And then you stir it to combine. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. And then all you do to finish this up is add your pasta and marry it together. And then I chopped up a little bit of chive from my garden and sprinkled it on top. We thought this was so yummy and so quick. I also served a delicious antipasto salad, and kids score, they hated it. They didn't have anything. They had frozen pizza, which they both complained about as well too. My kids are so picky. My last recipe for you this week is baked chicken Caesar. This is so easy with such few ingredients. You're going to need some all-purpose seasoning, some creamy Caesar dressing. I am making some white rice on the side, and I'm also going to saute some asparagus. My picky daughter loves asparagus, so I make this for her a lot. Let me show you how I put it together. All you're going to do is season up your chicken with this all-purpose seasoning and use half this bottle of this Caesar dressing. Put it in your oven at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes, and dinner is done. It's so easy. It makes the most delicious sauce that you can spoon over white rice. And then I took some chives from my garden to give it a little green pop of flavor, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and safe. Please hit that subscribe button, become part of my YouTube family, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.